This is week 2, module 2 of GRA 431, interactive animation. I'm in the modules right here in week 2. If you go underneath course menu, go to learning modules, and then to module 2. And the first thing it goes over is drawing and editing in Flash Professional. And this is in chapter 2 of the book. Next is module overview, which goes over the creative brief, technical brief, storyboard, and wireframe. And here's milestone 1, which is creating an interactive animation concept plan for your final project. This is your creative and technical brief, and the instructions are here. And 2.3 is continue work on storyboard. And next week, we'll have a peer review of the storyboard. So the advantage of that is you'll have, it's almost like usability testing, where you have the ability to have other people look at what you've done. So not always, which I'm sure everybody's aware of, can you realize how another person is going to look at something, and especially where interactivity is concerned. That's why usability testing has become so popular, starting from probably the 2000s. How a movie storyboard would relate to your storyboard, which is on a interactive infograph, would be the movie storyboard would have things like timing, contrast, repetition, and camera shots. When filming a movie, you have camera shots that would be close-ups, mid-range, and distance shots. So this infographic, I think, pretty well represents what you'd have here is distance. In mid-range, you really don't have any close-ups here, but I'm sure you could imagine what a close-up would be like. Here is a storyboard from Star Wars. And here you see a close-up here, and some mid-range shots, and a few kind of distance shots. So I hope that helps. Thanks.